Welcome to Ben's Backyard. I'm Ben and this is my backyard. Right here we have a brand new generator for my mate Andrew and we're going to give it the first run. Come in close for have a look. Most important, follow the quick start guide. First of all, add engine oil. Second of all, connect the battery. Thirdly, add fuel, prime and start. Now one of the main reasons he got this over his Honda was so that he could run his air conditioning keeping cool at all times. The second reason, being a rather aging gentleman, is the electronic start. So first things first, we've got it ready to go. Let's try the electronic start. On, start. And there we have it. And on the digital display, he likes all things digital. 250 volts, 0 current, 50 Hz AC, no power output at the moment, the oil is okay, and here's a run time. The second thing is the remote control start. So let's try that. Turn it on, press the start button twice, and look at that, running. Of course, you can also remotely stop it. Now if you come over to the front control panel, you can charge your iPhone through here, plug your van in through here, disable the remote control through this switch here to stop any pesky interference, charge your 12 volt battery through this cable here, or light up your cigar through this cigarette lighter. If all else fails, you can also do the old manual start. There we go. Now this Jenny, like your Honda, has two modes, economy and economy off, full power. Running at full power, it's really no noisier than your existing Honda. So it looks like we're on to a winner.